homographs. Same spelling, but different meanings, which may or may not be pronounced the same. For example, tear, to rip, versus tear, a drop of liquid from the eye. Absent, accent, action, adder, address, advocate, affect, agape, alternate, analysis, appropriate, ash, axes, back, balance, ball, balls, bank, bar, bark, bass, bat, battery, bay, bear, bi-monthly, bougie, bow, brace, brilliant, buck, buffet, building, can, capital, carp, certain, character, change, chest, cleave, clerical, clip, close, club, combat, combine, commune, console, contact, content, contest, contract, converse, convert, cool, crane, dab, damper, date, deer, decrease, default, degree, deliberate, desert, die, discharge, discount, dismiss, dismount, display, devotee, does, doing, dove, down, drain, drawer, dub, duck, duplicate, effect, elaborate, engage, entrance, even, evening, excuse, exploit, extract, fall, fan, fairly, file, finance, fine, firm, float, flush.
Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a lesson.